He just rented a Lamborghini Uris. How do you feel, babe? Come with us
cool.
around LA.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Say hi to YouTube.
What's up, guys?
Live Society, shout out. So we just took a random trip to Malibu and find this gem
It's a winery.
winery in, I guess we are in Calabasas maybe.
We'll
Let
see
you
what's up
know
with
what's
it.
going on here.
See you
Random
inside.
finds. So we are going to get our favorite coffee place, Alfred's in LA. Studio City right now, and I'm gonna get started for the day. We are coffee deprived and really need start feeling the anger. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a busy day for us today, and let's get going. So we're taking a little break for lunch from our shift today. We did our lemon, and we took some nice pictures by Santa Monica Airport. Now we're gonna take Lamborghini, take some, and then we're gonna continue shooting, and maybe shoot some videos too. Topanga, gonna take some more pictures and maybe make some video for you guys.
Yeah, going down PCH is gonna be so gorgeous.
Yeah.
We'll show you some awesome views.
That's where you really get to, you know,
Experience the perks of LA.
and perks of being in a Lambo because it's pretty fast.
Hey guys, we made it to our destination.
It's gonna be crazy shoot here. It's pretty nice.
Yes,
Included.
we're so excited. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, he's on like, he's big on Twitter, like he's always talking.
So last day with our Lambo. It was a fun times for sure. What do you think, Kate? Was it worth of the money?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get to go all around LA and drive in comfort and luxury.
Mhm.
So
We shot a lot of
can't
content
complain
as
on
well,
that.
some pictures, some videos. So
Yeah, I think we made good use out of it.
right, yeah,
And we
definitely.
spread the
good to-
love. We gave all of our friends
Yeah.
a ride in it. So
I think we pick up like 4 or 5 people and just ride around. 140 horsepower is definitely something that we haven't experienced.
I've
And
never experienced a massage chair in a car.
Oh.
It was cool.
do you think it's worth of 320,000?
Probably not.
Yeah.
I don't see myself ever like buying this car unless I'm like swimming in cash. I don't think it's like necessary. I
Yeah.
think, you know,
The repair's probably gonna be pretty juicy.
yeah. They make cars so nice these days that, you know, just about any car you can get, even like, I don't know, a $50,000 car is still high end and it's still luxury.
Yeah,
so.
and these Lamborghinis, it's the same Volkswagen group, so they're doing that Audi RSQ8 and then the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. And these cars cost like, you know, fraction of this. Like, I mean, they still $150,000, $160,000 cars, but
Yeah.
half, you know?
Right.
So Lambo was fun.
Fun.
Then the next one is a G-Wagon, probably.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Maybe in a few months, like after the summer or
For
something.
sure. But yeah, last day in Lambo, we're heading to gym and then we're gonna go return it and cry about it.
We'll take you along for the rest of our week too, because, you know, we're boring, but we have some other stuff happening. So
Stay
we'll see you guys
tuned.
soon.
Made it to the gym here. Pretty pumped. We are coordinated by morning workout. And goddamn, can't wait to get it done and eat some.
Good Good morning. I look like a mess. Not the Four Seasons to get a facial. Sucks.
Going to see movie with this guy. What are we seeing, Kate? Of the movie we're going to see?
The Unbearable Weight of Something and Something. It's the Nicolas Cage movie.
Hey my loves, it is currently Saturday and it is really sunny here in LA. Just spent my whole morning more self-care stuff. Went to get a lymphatic drainage massage, which is really good to like release all of your toxins, water retention, and just kind of get your like blood flowing. So I'm feeling really good and energized. And after that I went to get pretty much my whole body waxed, so I'm feeling really fresh, especially after the spa yesterday. I feel really rejuvenated, and I think it's really important in any way that you can to just take care of yourself and honor your body. So I'm gonna head back home and see what we have planned for the rest of the day. Hope wherever you are having an amazing day.
Live from New York, it's Saturday Night Live!
Saturday night, chilling, lazy, and staying inside. It's a new week. Say hi to the vlog.
This is not new week, babe. Today's Tuesday.
Today's Monday.
My bad. Okay. We're going to shoot with Lena and Adam. So
We're really excited.
can't wait to share the podcast and then the scene also.
Try to get some BTS.
Should be exciting, guys. Stay tuned.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We are here on set and we are just waiting to get started.
It'll be fun.
So
Stay tuned. Alright, and Kate, showtime.
I never say anything. I just mute it.